Hello everyone, I Dr. Intu TK and you have been watching my videos on Geography of India. Welcome back to the another session on Physiographic Division of India. Today we are going to learn about something really exciting, the coastal plains of India. Have you ever been to the beach? Do you remember the sound of the waves, the feel of the sand and smell of the salty sea breeze? Well, all those wonderful experiences happen on these coastal plains. So, get ready to dive into the world of India's coastal plains and find out why they are so special. Let's begin our adventure. So, what is a coastal plain? Coastal plains are significant geographical features found along the coastal plains of many continents. Coastal plains are flat, low-lying areas adjacent to the ocean and formed through sediment deposition over long periods. They play crucial roles in the ecosystem and human settlement. The coastal plains of India lie along India's western and eastern shores on either side of the Deccan Plateau. From the Rann of Kutch in the west to West Bengal in the east, they cover a distance of around 6,150 kilometers. The length of the mainland's coastline, including the islands of Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 kilometers. Now, let us discuss how tectonic movements over millions of years shaped the coastlines that we see today. Around 140 million years ago, the Indian subcontinent was a part of vast supercontinent known as Gondwana land. Gondwana land included what are now South America, Africa, Antarctica, Australia and the Indian subcontinent. As Gondwana land began to split, the Indian tectonic landmass became isolated. This isolation set the stage for a dramatic tectonic journey. Over millions of years, the Indian plate moved northward towards the Eurasian plate. The collision between Indian and Eurasian plate was a monumental geological event. This collision led to the uplifting of the Himalayan mountain range, significantly impacting the climate and geography of the region. The tectonic movements also played a crucial role in shaping India's surrounding water bodies. The Arabian Sea to the west and Bay of Bengal to the east were formed as a result of tectonic migration of Gondwana land. The breakup of Gondwana land during the Cretaceous period, approximately 145 to 66 million years ago, resulted in India's regular and relatively straight coastline. The southern coastline, along with the coastal plains, was formed due to the fracturing process. This geological activity created the extensive and diverse coastal plains we see today, which are crucial for India's agriculture, trade and biodiversity. Now, let's understand the divisions of Indian coastal plains. The Indian coastal plain are separated into two types, namely the eastern coastal plain and the western coastal plains. We can discuss one by one. First one is eastern coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain stretches from West Bengal in the north to the southernmost point of Kanyakumari. This region is characterized by its wide and fertile plains, making it one of India's most agriculturally productive areas. The eastern coastal plains include several important regions and states: West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry and the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Each of these areas contributes to the rich agriculture and economic activities of the eastern coast. The rivers flowing through this region include the Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri. These rivers have carved out significant deltas as they reach Bay of Bengal. The deltas formed by these rivers are highly fertile, supporting extensive agriculture and providing vital resource to the region. The deltas of the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers are particularly known for their fertility. For example, the Krishna river delta is often referred to as the granary of South India due to its high agricultural productivity. The alluvial deposits from these rivers enrich the soil, making the eastern coastal plains ideal for growing a variety of crops. The eastern coastal plains are further segmented into three coasts: the Utkal coast, Andhra coast, which is also known as Northern Sirkar, and the third one is Coromandel coast. The Utkal coast, a prominent part of the eastern coastal plain of India. The Utkal coast stretches from Chilka Lake in the south to Kollur Lake, covering a substantial region along Odisha's coastline. These areas forms a significant part of Odisha's coastal plain, known for its diverse ecological and agricultural features. The Utkal plain encompasses the coastal parts of Odisha and is known for its fertile land. Key crop grown in this region include rice, coconut and banana, which thrive in the region's favorable climatic conditions. The Mahanadi Delta is an essential part of the Utkal Plains river basin. The delta contributes to the region's fertility and supports its agricultural productivity. The Utkal coast receives significant rainfall influenced by the eastern Ghats. This ample rainfall supports agriculture and helps maintain the region's lush vegetation. Chilka Lake is the most notable physiographic feature of this Utkal plain. It is the largest lake in India, with its size varying between 780 square kilometer in winter and up to 1144 square kilometer during the monsoon season. The lake is a crucial ecological zone and a vital resource for the local communities. In summary, the Utkal coast is a key region in the eastern coastal plains of India, characterized by its fertile land, significant river delta and prominent Chilka Lake. The region's agriculture, rainfall and unique physiographic features play a crucial role in its ecological and economic landscape. The next one is Andhra coast. Andhra coast extends from Kollur Lake to Pulicat Lake in the north and from the Kollur Lake to Pulicat Lake in the south. The Andhra coast encompasses the river basin of two major rivers, the Krishna and the Godavari. These rivers contribute significantly to the region's agriculture and hydrology. The most notable feature of the Andhra coast is the delta formed by Krishna and Godavari rivers. These two deltas have merged to create a single extensive physiographic entity that plays a crucial role in the region's fertility and agriculture. Sriharikota Island, a long sand spit, is a significant feature on this coast. It acts as a natural barrier blocking access to the lake area. Notably, this land is home to the ISRO launch facility, a key site for India's space missions. Kolluru Lake is another important feature of Andhra coast. It was originally a lagoon on the coast but has since moved further inland. The lake is crucial for local biodiversity and has historically supported the region's agriculture. In summary, the Andhra coast is a vital part of the eastern coastal plain with its significant river basin, notable deltas and unique features like Sriharikota Island and Kolluru Lake. These elements contribute to the region's ecological balance and agriculture productivity. Next, we will be discussing the Coromandel coast, a prominent region along the southeastern coast of India. The Coromandel Coast, also known as the Tamil Nadu Plain, extends 675 kilometers along the southeastern coast of Tamil Nadu. This stretch runs from Pulicat Lake in the north to Kanyakumari in the south with an average breadth of approximately 100 kilometers. A key feature of the Tamil Nadu Plain is the Kaveri Delta. This delta, which is about 130 kilometers wide, is the most prominent geographical feature of the plain. The delta is integral to the region's agricultural productivity and economic activities. The Coromandel Coast receives substantial rainfall, particularly during the northeast monsoon. The Kaveri Delta is often referred to as the granary of South India. This is due to its highly fertile land and extensive irrigation system that support large-scale agriculture. In summary, the Coromandel Coast is a crucial region of the Tamil Nadu Plain with its 675 km stretch along the coast. The Kaveri Delta, with its fertile land and large-scale irrigation, plays a vital role in South India's agriculture. The region's rainfall patterns influenced by the northeast monsoon further enhance its agricultural productivity. Next, we will explore the western coastal plains of India. Stretching from Gujarat in the north to Kerala in the south, this region runs between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats, offering a diverse and significant geographical landscape. The western coastal plains extend from the Arabian Sea to the Western Ghats, spanning from Kerala in the south to Gujarat in the north. This region includes the coastal plains of Gujarat, the coastal plains of peninsular India, and the states of Maharashtra, Goa, and Karnataka. The western coastal plains are renowned for their diverse features. Sand beaches stretching along the coast, these sandy shores are popular for recreation and tourism. Coastal sand dunes formed by the winds, these dunes add to the dynamic landscape. Next is mud flats. These are found in the areas where the tide meets the land, providing the important ecological habitats. Next is lagoons. The shallow bodies of water separated from the sea by sandbars or coral reefs, such as those on the Malabar coast. Next is alluvial tracts, the fertile plain created by the sediment deposition from the rivers. Some notable aspects of these coastal plains include oil-rich areas, particularly along the Malabar coast, which is known for its oil reserves. The gorgeous lagoons, the popular tourist destination offering scenic beauty and ecological significance. These features are not only enhance the natural beauty of the western coastal plains, but also contribute to their economic and environmental importance. Next, we will explore the key division of the western coastal plain of India, each with its distinct features and characteristics. First, let's discuss the region of Kutch and Kathiawar. The Kathiawar Peninsula, located to the south of Kutch, this area is formed of Deccan lava and tertiary rocks. Kutch region. During the monsoon, shallow water covers Kutch, which was shaped by slit deposition from the Indus River. It is divided into Great Rann of Kutch and Little Rann of Kutch. The Kutch Peninsula was once an island surrounded by seas and lagoons, which were later filled by sediments from the Indus River. Due to the recent years of low rainfall, the environment has become semi-desert. Next one is the Gujarat Plain. This plain extends east of Kutch and Kathiawar, descending towards west and southwest. River basin formed by the rivers Narmada, Tapi, Mahi and Sabarmati, it covers the southern Gujarat and parts of Gulf of Kampat. The eastern section is well suited for agriculture. The area along the coast is covered with wind-blown loess and sand heaps. Moving on the Konkan Plain, stretching from Daman to Goa, it lies south of Gujarat Plain. The Thane Creek near Mumbai is a significant embayment serving as a natural harbour. This region features marine erosions, examples such as cliffs, shoals, reefs and islands in the Arabian Sea. Now, the Karnataka coastal plain. Running from Goa to Mangalore, it is relatively narrow plain with the widths ranging from 30 to 50 kilometers and up to 70 kilometers around Mangalore. This region is known for its waterfalls, including impressive Jarosappa Jog Falls, which is 271 meters high. The marine topography is particularly distinctive and the area is rich in iron. Finally, the Kerala plain. Also known as the Malabar plain, it stretches from Mangalore to Kanyakumari. This large flat plain is characterized by its extensive lagoons, backwaters and water bodies. The backwaters or kayals are shallow sea inlets running parallel to the coast, with the largest being Vembanad Lake, stretching 75 kilometers in length and 5 kilometers in width. In conclusion, the western coastal plains are divided into several distinct regions, each with unique features ranging from salt-soaked plains and waterfalls to extensive lagoons and fertile plains. Now, we will discuss the concept of emergence and submergence coastal lines and their characteristics. The emergent coastal lines occur when sea level drop or land rises, typically due to tectonic uplift. These coastlines feature various structures. Examples: the Coromandel coast in Tamil Nadu is a best example of emergent coastal line. The Malabar coast in Kerala is another example. The submergent coastline are characterized by rise in sea level or sinking of the land, leading to different coastal features. Konkan coast in Maharashtra and Goa is a best example of submergent coastline. Submergent coasts often feature drowned river valleys and extensive estuarine systems. In summary, the emergent coastline are shaped by falling sea level or rising land, while submergent coastline resulting from rising sea level or sinking land. Both types of coastline offer unique features and contribute to the diverse coastal geography of India. Coming to the end of the session, we will discuss the significance of India's coastline and their impact on various aspects of life and economy. India's coastal line are known for their fertile soil, which supports the cultivation of a variety of crops. The principal crop in this region is rice. The entire length of India's coast is dotted with small and large ports that facilitate trade. These ports are crucial for economic connectivity of the country, enabling the import and export of goods. Significant mineral resources are found along India's coastline. Mineral oil, large deposits that are located in the sedimentary strata such as Krishna-Godavari basin. Monazite, abundant in Kerala's sands, this mineral is vital for nuclear power production. Fishing is a major source of income for people living in coastal areas. The rich marine biodiversity supports a thriving fishing industry, which is essential for both local consumption and export. In Gujarat, the low-lying coastal areas are renowned for salt production. Additionally, Kerala's backwaters are popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from around the world. India's coastal plain receives substantial rainfall, which supports a range of economic activities including agriculture, fishing and tourism. Although there are not many port regions, the coastline offers numerous beautiful tourist spots. In summary, India's coastline are vital for their fertile soil, mineral resources, trade and tourism. They play a crucial role in country's agriculture, economy and cultural heritage. Hope you enjoyed the session on Indian coastline. We will meet you on next session with another interesting topic on physiographic division. So till then, bye.